Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Canva cartoon. First, open Canva and choose a blank presentation or video template to begin your creative journey. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and search for Cartoon or Illustration to discover a wide array of graphics. Select a background that perfectly sets the scene and enhances your cartoon's unique theme. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and engaging design process. Now, let's design your cartoon character. Start by combining different shapes and lines available in Canva's elements to build the character's body, head, and limbs. Don't forget to explore the magic recommendations for similar graphics that can add unique touches. Experiment with various colors, adjust sizes, and precisely position each element to create a truly expressive and engaging character. To make your cartoon truly pop, focus on enhancing details and expressions. Add facial features like eyes, mouths, and eyebrows to clearly convey a range of emotions. Consider incorporating fun accessories such as hats, glasses, or even speech bubbles to tell a story. Remember to group related elements together. This makes moving and resizing parts of your character much easier, saving you valuable time. For the final touches, review your cartoon to ensure consistency in style and overall visual appeal. Add any last-minute text or additional scene elements to fully complete your narrative. Once satisfied, download your finished cartoon in a high-quality image format like PNG or JPG, or as an MP4 video if you've animated it. This easy method helps you create captivating cartoons in just a few simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.